This idea didn't start in my workshop. It started while I was driving. I wasn't planning to design anything that day, but an idea popped into my head and I couldn't let it go. I'd already designed a wonky jewelry box before, and suddenly I thought, what if I did one for Valentine's Day? A wonky heart jewelry box. So when I got home, I decided to see where that idea would go. And this is where it ended up. I asked AI to generate an image of what I had in my head. This is the part I really enjoy. Once I had the image in front of me, it wasn't about copying it, it was about figuring out how to make it real. I brought it into Fusion 360 and started sketching things out. Just rough at first, shapes, proportions, getting a better feel for it. At this stage, I'm not worrying about perfection. I'm just asking myself, does this feel right? Once the heart shape started to take form, that's when it got fun. Because now I'm not imagining it anymore, I'm looking at it. And the nice thing about working in Fusion is that I can try something, step back, and change my mind. Nothing's permanent yet, it's all just decisions. How would this actually print? How would it come apart? And how would it go back together? Will the drawers slide open and close nicely? Not in a technical way, just in a will this make someone smile when they open it kind of way. When I got to this point, I knew it was ready to print. Once the model was finished, this is where it becomes real. I brought everything into Bambu Studio and laid the parts out, and this is usually the point where I slow myself down a bit. Even though I'd already designed a wonky jewelry box before, I still like to test things. So instead of printing everything at once, I printed the heart and then just one drawer. That way I could check the fit, make sure the drawer slid the way I wanted it to, and confirm the clearances were right. It's not about doubting the design, it's just part of my process. Once that felt good, everything else was easy. From there, it was just letting the printer do what it does best. And when I started pulling the parts off the plate, I knew right away this was gonna work. This is one of those prints that just makes me smile. It started as an idea in my head and turned into something real. I don't know who this is for, but someone's going to absolutely love it. If you want to print one yourself, it's on Maker World. Thanks for watching.